Hi guys, this is Bill and today I want to talk about posting videos about the things that you truly love. Sometimes when we create contents, we worry too much about views, subscribers, and whether people will truly like it. And honestly, very the same, very me. I also check my views every now and then. But I'm learning that maybe the goal is not to be viral right away. Maybe the goal is to just share the things that feel so real to you. Post about the places you really miss, the food that you wanted to eat or miss eating. Post about the stories you carry. Post about the simple joys, your thoughts, your journey, and the things that make you feel alive. Because one day your video will find the right people, or maybe the right people will find you. Not everyone will understand your content, and that's okay. You don't need everyone, you just need your people. So keep posting what you love. Still be, still believing, still becoming, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.